Palakpakan natin Albert Martinez and Gabby Concepcion. Hi, Little. Hi, Gab. Ano na, ayan. Pwede po kayong umupo dito, mga pinagbibitagan na nating celebrity volunteers. Ayan. At syempre, dahil may mga Gabby, Gabs and Albert, bumati po muna kayo sa ating mga friends from the press, vloggers, influencers.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Hi there, so many familiar faces from our industry. There. Welcome to Gabay Guro. This is our, ilang year natin? 16th year. We started back in 2006, right? 2007. So now it evolved into a much better program. So maraming salamat sa ating pinuno. Ating punong abala is Shay Revilla. Congratulations. And we're here to show our support and to show our dedication to make sure that ano man yung kailangan sa amin may provide namin sa ating teachers na kailangan.
Hello everybody. Pinamuna ko na si Kuya Albert dahil siyempre, nagkala nga nagsagamit. Ang totoo naman eh. Kasi nung pumasok ko showbiz, pinanonood ko na siya eh. Nagulat ka ako dito yung Regal Baby, siguro pa tayo. It's nice to be around everybody. Yes, we have seen a lot of you. I thought we were here to promote also, no? Our then we're here for you. We're here for Gabay. Lahat ng Gabay nandito kami. To support. Yan lang. Walang bayad po ito.
Oo nga. Thank you.
Wala lang.
Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila, every time they volunteer for Gabay Guro, we will not be able to repay you for your kindness, generosity, your time, and your effort. And God will be the one to repay you 1,000,000-fold. Kasi you're paying tribute to the teachers who are the second parents of our young learners now, di ba? So thank you.
Maraming salamat, Miss Shay. Ayan, syempre, si Gabby po at si Albert ay handa nang sumagot sa inyong mga katanungan kung meron kayong itatanong. Sino po ang gusto mo na magtanong? Oo, tama yan. Lilinawin lang po natin, wala pong personal. Okay? Okay. So, habang wala pa, ay entertain muna natin mula sa Cebu, Gabby and Albert, si April Rama. April Rama of Cebu. Kaano-ano kaya niya si Tita Annabel? Cebu.
Yes, hi.
Yes, April.
Yes.
April, alam mo bang October na? April, yes. Your question, April?
Yes, I have a question. Well, this is for the Gabay Guro team. How long does it take you to prepare, and how difficult is it to prepare for Gabay Guro every year? And by the way, congratulations on the 16th year.
Sino po? Miss Shay?
Hindi siya, alam nila yon. Kanina lang kami nagtarawagan, kahapon, ganun lang siya. So, like the one that we mounted in Butuan last week, Thursday, siguro the day before, 2 days before, kasi yun lang yung libre, go lang, ganun. At saka for this year, hindi namin ma-post lahat ng mga pictures nila kasi we're still talking about what they'll sing, mga ganon, tsaka yung mga time, ganon. So, ano lang talaga siya, para siyang family event, no?
Instant.
Instant.
Actually, I will share with you. Today, I was supposed to have a meeting at 1 p.m. in Rockwell, Makati. I got a call, a message this morning. Oh, you have a press con. I go, I'm sorry, but I have a meeting in Rockwell, Makati. Then I told her I'm meeting with a group from PLDT, and she said, oh, okay. Before I knew it, she got in touch with the person I'm meeting with. Meeting dito. So now, I'm here.
Para-paraan ang tawag doon.
And she's good at it.
Hindi, totoo yan. Ako na meron din akong experience. Hindi, pagka ang mga meeting na to, yung mga how do you prepare for yung mga gabay? Actually, this is prepared by God.
Wow!
Di ba? Totoo yan. Hindi, kasi walang plano eh. So, katulad ko kanina, meron akong taping today. Wala supposed to be taping today. No, pero that's why sabi ko, sige, pupunta ako dun sa gabay because this was mentioned before. Pero wala sa plano ko ito. Inurong ko na lang yung taping because natuloy yung taping. Sorry sabihin ko na yun. So, may trabaho ako mamaya. 6 o'clock. Kanya tapos na.
So it shows the commitment of the artists, di ba? Na kahit na, halika, go. Basta magagawa ng paraan na makapunta sila dito, pupunta talaga sila. At saka every time they do events, sila yung nagdadala na ng sariling minus one, di ba? Ikaw, sumama ka na sa regional, ganon. May kukwento din ako sa inyo kay Gabby kasi there was one time we also went to Mindanao. Which city? Basta one in Mindanao. Tapos the night before, you had an accident, freak accident, right? Yung sa paa mo. O yun, ikwento mo yun.
Kaya na-opera ako dahil nahulog yung baso. Kumukuha ako sa cupboard, nahulog yung baso sa pako. So dinala ako sa Makati Med, galing ako lubog. So hindi ako nakapagmaneho, inakyat ako, may bumuhat sa akin yung mga taga doon. So hindi ako nakapagmaneho. Ayan, si Wading, kasama ko ngayon, dinala niya ako sa Makati Med. Pero ando doon pa rin ako.
So, madaling araw yung flight namin. Nagtataka kami bakit wala pa siya. Yung pala, wheelchair ka, di ba?
Kaya wala, hindi ako makalakad talaga.
Makalakad.
Wadi ka puro yung tendon.
Huwag ka nang mag-perform, doon ka na lang sa stage. Hindi niya matiis yung mga teachers, bumaba pa siya. So, dinumog siya, di ba? So, Joseph, kung napakan ba yung paa mo, gano'n. Pero hindi niya iniinda kasi with the teachers.
Dapat lang. My contribution.
Yes, April, thank you so much. April, meron ka pang tanong?
One last. Well, actually more of a statement. We would like to say on behalf also of the Cebuano and the Davao people, Mr. Albert Martinez and Mr. Gabby Concepcion, you guys are kindness and wonderful. Thank you so much for being here. We're so in our hearts. But okay, follow-up question. This is so we can consider this a back-to-back tribute, since you did with one, and now you're doing Manila on the 14th. So how many teachers in total are you expecting to celebrate this year for like the 16th year?
So, Butuan was over 3,000 teachers in Mindanao. Dolphy Theater will only be able to accommodate mga 200, no? So this is really going to be hybrid. 200 face-to-face, pero the rest will be live stream online lang. Kasi we've been doing the tribute online the past 3 years. Since 2020, 2021, 22. So next year, God willing, we will go back again to MOA Arena or Smart Araneta.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss April. Okay, yung next question po ay from Lea Gatuna. Lea Salterio. Sorry, pasensya na. Lea, ito.
Si Lea daw may tanong.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, Michelle.
Hi, hello po.
Hi. Hi, Albert. Hi, Gabby.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon. Michelle, it's understandable that you set the date for the Kabay Puro tribute. But what about the artists? If they are, only if they are available,
Yes.
really? So, pero ang dami pa rin every year.
Kasi over the last 16 years, marami na talagang pool of artists na volunteers, di ba? So, before, when we used to hold it in MOA Arena, we are dependent on the availability of the place by MOA Arena kasi libre siya. So, minsan nababump off tayo kapag may concerts na ganyan, whatever na big. So, and then we ask our artist volunteers to also adjust. So like Popsy, she's always been there every year, di ba? She hosts our events. But this Saturday, she'll be out of the country. So bumawi siya, sumama siya sa Butuan nung nandito pa siya last week.
May concert din sa MOA Arena sa 27.
Ay, oo nga, narinig ko yun.
So that's why in advance yung buying for this one. O talagang October 14.
Kasi October 14, we were looking for a place. Ang totoo lang, naghanap kami ng lugar na free na available siya. Eh, konti na lang yung available na place. And we wanted to hold it in Meralco, but it's being done now, refurbished. Ano, parang dumami artista nyo, no?
Sabi ko nga ba't iba yung araw, di sabay na lang.
Oo, kasi...
Either before or after tayo.
Wait. Kasi di ba, si Sharon, ang first boyfriend niya si Albert. Wait, di ba? Tama ba? Parang nabasa ko yung dati nung ano ba?
Actually, pwede siyang gumest eh, no? Pwede ka ba? Manso? Manso ba, bro?
Wait, di ba totoo?
Pwede ba?
Wait, si Albert, di ba totoo yun? Wait,
Grabe.
Pabati na kami, ha?
o di ba? Uy, di ba totoo yun? Nabasa ko yung dati. Sa ano, magazine. Magazine na.
Well, total, pinag-uusapan na lang din.
Di ba totoo? Wait, uy, bawal magsinungaling dito, di ba?
Say anything.
Pero, it's true, is it true?
Hindi, sila ni Snoopy.
Kausap, hindi naman si Snoopy yung tinatanong ko si Sharon. Kasi yung
Sagutin mo na nga,
kay
oh.
Sharon.
Tapos naman si Sharon.
Anak, sorry yung anak niya nandito eh. Pero ano naman, wala ko yung
TV show ba ito?
Hindi kailangan ng gabay dyan.
Di ba, Negro TV, question yun.
Uy,
O yung ano,
di
di
ba,
ba?
Mr. Albert?
Mali yata itong event na pasukan. Alam ko kamay guru. Hindi mo yata yung show.
Tama, puro. Alamin ng history. Ano?
Di ba, totoo?
Alam mo, Ate Lods.
Ayun yung anak.
Dali.
Ako si Danny nakakaalam niya.
Dahil totoo, di ba? Ang
Diba,
first
sis,
boyfriend ni Sharon, si Albert, Mr. Albert Martinez. Totoo? Di ba kamagalit sa akin si Sharon? Huwag yung isasabi mo na.
Naka-video
Wala yung
ka.
topic natin. Anyway, thank you. Can I ask them, the two guys? Anyway, this time, since you've been participating in previous Gabay Guro activities, ano yung co-contribute nyo sa presentation this year?
Well, for me this year, unfortunately, ito yung my contribution because I'm working on the 14th. Basta available naman kami, automatic. Pag tumawag si Michelle, nangingin pa kami. So,
Si Mr. Albert has been involved with the Gabay Guro on the yung mga scholars, ganyan. Sobrang generous siya, mabait talaga yan. Okay, pero ikaw pa rin ang
So you will
first
not be there.
boyfriend.
So Albert, you will not be there in the actual event.
unfortunately, because of the schedule, timing lang na working day yung 14. Anyway, since we're shooting Pedro Peluco, so that's where Metro Manila Film
After
Festival.
Ironheart, Anyway, can we hear from Gabby?
Kahit na strike anywhere naman kami. Strike. Strike ngayon lang ako.
So you'll be there on the actual day?
Well, I may not, pero pag na-libre, I'll be there. Ang ganda yun.
Pero ang first boyfriend pa rin Sharon
Ay, si Albert.
Oh, di ba? Sinabi na yun.
Hindi, pero meron namang nauna bago si Albert.
Meron pa.
Ay,
Anyway, lumalayo na to.
showbiz yun, showbiz yung mga songs niya.
Alright.
Yun ang first love niya.
Thank you so much.